Marine biology classes all organisms in an ecosystem can be placed in trophic levels depending on what energy source they rely upon and how they provide energy for other organisms in the food web. For example, phytoplankton are photosynthesizers that provide energy for a vast number of primary consumers, which in turn provide energy for secondary consumers and decomposers. Trophic levels begin with phytoplankton, a primary producer capable of transforming inorganic carbon into protoplasm. Zooplankton is the second level because they eat phytoplankton and are a source of energy for crustaceans at the third level. The fourth level is fish that eat crustaceans, and the fifth is seals and other animals that eat fish. The more trophic levels present, the less energy is conserved at higher trophic level. Women had been shortchanged in American history textbook. The movement expands. The Seneca Falls woman had optically hoped for a series for conventions embracing every part of the country, and that's just what did happen. Women's rights conventions were held regularly from 1850 until the start of the Civil War. Some drew such large crowds that people actually had to be turned away for lack of sufficient meeting space. The women's rights movement of the late 18th century went on to address the wide range of issues spelled out the Seneca Falls Convention. Elizabeth Cady Stanton and women like Susan B. Anthony, Lucy Stone, and Sojourner Truth traveled the country lecturing and organizing for the next 40 years. Eventually, winning the right to vote emerged as the central issue, since the vote would provide the means to achieve the other reforms. All told, the campaign for women's suffrage met such staunch opposition that it took 72 years for the women and their male supporters to be successful. The theory of island biogeography showed a strong positive correlation between island size and number of species. Larger habitat size reduced the probability of extinction of the colonized species due to change events. Smaller islands are also likely to hold fewer population in general because they have fewer resources and less diversity of resources. Larger islands have larger and more habitat areas, which typically leads to more differences in habitat or habitat heterogeneity. Higher heterogeneity means that there are more opportunities for a variety of species to find their suitable niches. Habitat heterogeneity also helps increase the number of species to successfully colonize after immigration. One interesting point to note is that the equilibrium number of species is reached when immigration and extinction rates are equal, not when those processes stop. This means islands may consistently be changing species compositions but should maintain fairly consistent level of species richness. The island biogeography model has crucial application for wildlife management because wildlife resources of patches of habitat can be considered island of habitat in an ocean of inhabitable area. For this reason, the theory island biogeography has become central to our understanding of how habitat fragmentation leads to biodiversity loss.